Good morning, guys. We are on day 2 of the Allen Edmonds campaign at the William Vale Hotel. We are so excited. I can't wait. This is the day that I've been waiting for to shoot this campaign. You guys know I love my natural light shoots, and man, you can't beat the lighting this morning here in Brooklyn. So I'm going to be concentrating on getting those really dynamic shots that my team and I are known for. We have 3 amazing male models that we're going to be shooting for the campaign. Really happy that the Allen Edmonds team brought me and my crew out here to help showcase the dynamic quality of their brand. All right, so first off, I want to show you guys a little bit of the setup where we're going to be here for the first part of the day. A really great view of the Manhattan skyline right here. Pretty much all of Manhattan. So first thing first, we want to make sure that we get the platform up here. So it's going to pretty much elevate the model to where it looks like they're either level with the skyline or above the skyline. But when we have the platform, it's going to elevate the model. And I'm going to be shooting from what we unprofessionally call the worm's perspective, which is shooting low to the ground and shooting up at an angle. That way the sun will bathe on the model and we'll get full lighting on them to where from their head to their feet is all covered in beautiful sunlight. These lazy male models, they don't ever do anything. They just sit there on their phones making matching poses in the chairs. Earn your keep. This amateur doing video with an iPhone.
That's exactly what I'm doing. I'm just shooting with an iPhone.
All right, so we have knocked out the hero shots for our section here on top of the William Vale. Oh man, they came out so beautiful. The light is so perfect right now. So we were supposed to be leaving this location at 1 o'clock. It's 9:30 and I'm already done.